What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape Moltbook automatically by creating a simple workflow in N8N. Let's get started. In N8N, I've created a workflow that I've renamed to Moltbook Scraper. Here, we're going to start by adding a trigger. I'm going to choose a manual trigger over here. Now, to scrape Moltbook automatically, I'm going to use this tool called Apify. Apify, it's an incredible tool that you can use to scrape any website and automate projects. To get 30% off your first subscription to this tool, just use the link in the description to sign up and create your account. And after creating your account, head over to Apify store here. And here, we're going to search for a tool that we're going to use to scrape Moltbook. So I'll search for Moltbook over here and click on search. Here, you can see we have various tools that we can use to scrape Moltbook. I'm going to use this tool over here. So I'll open this tool on a new tab. And this is the tool that we're going to use to scrape AI agents, social media data. So here, you can choose the scrape mode. You can choose to scrape the feed, submodes, agents profiles, agent list, submodes list, or specific post URL. I'm going to choose the feed right here. And then for the feed, you can sort it either by new, top, or discussed. You can also include feed time range and the maximum posts that would like to scrape. Then for the submodes, here you can choose the submode and then choose the sort order. You can sort either by hot, new, or top. And then here, add the maximum posts per submode. And then for the agent profile, here you can add the agent's username and then add the maximum of posts that you like to scrape per agent. And for the agent's list, here you can sort either by recent, followers, or comma. And then add the maximum agents that you like to scrape. For the submodes, here you can add the maximum submodes that you'd like to scrape. Same with the specific posts. You can add the specific post URL and then the number of comments that you'd like to scrape from the post. To scrape the latest post in our tool, I'll click on Start right here. Here you can see that our tool is running and getting data. Let's give it a second for it to complete scraping the data for us. Here, you can see that our tool succeeded in scraping the data for us. So here, we got the post that we scraped using our tool over here. So here we're getting the post URL, title, author, community, upvotes, comments, when it was posted, and the content over here, which is incredible. We also scrape the post details, the comments, and the rest of the data over here. This is incredible. So now our tool works perfectly and it's scraping the post from the AI agents over here. This is incredible. So now instead of having to manually scrape these posts right here in Apify, we can create a workflow that scrapes the post for us automatically and then proceeds to add the post to a spreadsheet. So to set up our workflow that scrapes the post for us, here we're going to scrape the post using Apify. So I'll search for Apify over here. Click on Apify. Here you'll need to install it first if you haven't installed it yet. And after installing it, click on the Run and Actor node right here. Here you'll need to create your credential, connect your account to N8N. To do that, just click on Connect My Account right here. And then on the new window that pops up, choose the account that you'd like to connect to N8N. And your connection will be created. Our connection was created successfully. Here, we'd like to run an actor. I'm going to choose a recently used actor. And here we're going to find our actor that we like to use. This is actor right here. And then here we're going to add our JSON. To add our JSON, I'll click on expression and expand it right here to add our JSON over here. To get the JSON in our tool, here it says form and JSON, click on JSON. And this is the JSON that we're going to copy it. So I'll copy it. Then I'll paste the JSON right here. Now to scrape social media posts from the AI agents, I'll click on execute step right here. You can see it's executing our node. Let's give it a second for it to complete scraping the post for us. You can see that our node was executed successfully and the status right here was a success. And here we got our default dataset ID. This is incredible. So now to get our post data, I'll search for Apify again. Click on Apify. This time around, I'm going to click on the Get Dataset Items node. Here, I'm going to choose our connection, and then here we're going to map our dataset ID which should be the default dataset ID that we just got from our previous node. And here the limit, you can increase the limit depending on the number of posts that you're scraping. Then here click on execute step right here to get our data. You can see our node was executed successfully and we are getting 10 posts that we scraped from Moltbook right here. So we're getting the post ID, post URL, submult name, submult URL, author URL, when it was posted, title, the post, upvotes, comments, source, and when it was scraped. So here I renamed this node to Moltbook scraper. Then here I renamed this to get social media data and click on rename. So now with our data right here, we can proceed and add it to a spreadsheet. In Google Sheets, I've created a spreadsheet that I've renamed to AI Agent Social Media Data Spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet, I've created a sheet that I've renamed to AI Agent Social Media Data. And here's where we're going to add the title, the post, upvotes, comments, the author of the post, author URL, when it was posted, submult name, submult URL, the post ID, and the post URL over here. To add our agent's social media data to a spreadsheet over here in our workflow, I'll search for Google Sheets and click on Google Sheets. And here I'll click on append row in sheet node. Here, you'll need to create your credential, connect your account anytime by signing in with your Google account over here. And then on the new window that pops up, choose the account that you'd like to connect to anytime, and your connection will be created. Since I already done that, I'm going to close this window right here. And here we're going to find our documents, which is this document right here. And our sheet is going to be this sheet. And here we're going to map values to our columns in our spreadsheet with the data that we just scraped using Apify. So we're going to start with the title right here, the actual post, and the upvotes, comments, author URL, created relative, submult name, submult URL, post ID, and the post URL right here. Then I'll click on execute step right here to add our data to our spreadsheet. You can see our node was executed successfully. I renamed this node to AI Agent Social Media Data and click on rename right here. When I open my spreadsheet, here you can see we successfully added our 10 posts over here. So we added the title of the post, the actual post right here, upvotes, comments, author of the post, the author URL, when it was posted, the submult name, the submult URL, the post ID, and the post URL over here. So he successfully scraped this AI agent's social media data and added the data to a spreadsheet over here using this workflow that we created right here in Anytime. Our workflow works perfectly right here. You can edit this JSON, whether increase or decrease the number of posts that you'd like to scrape and add to a spreadsheet. You can change the submult sort, maximum post, scrape mode, maximum comments that you'd like to scrape. You can also choose whether you'd like to include comments or submult information, human owner. You can also choose the maximum number of posts that you'd like to scrape and the number of agents that you'd like to scrape right here. And then run our workflow to scrape the agent social media data, get the data and add the data to our spreadsheet right here, like we did over here, which is incredible. So we can try testing our workflow to see how it works. To test our workflow in our spreadsheet, here I'm going to clear these records and scrape new data and add it to our spreadsheet right here. To do that, I'll click on execute workflow right here. Here, you can see that our workflow was executed successfully. So we scraped Moltbook using this tool in Apify, and we got the agent social media data using this node right here. And we proceeded to add the data to our spreadsheet using this node right here. So now, when we open our spreadsheet, here you can see we successfully updated our spreadsheet with the 10 used media posts from AI agents we scraped from Moltbook. Here, we added the title, post, upvotes, comment, the author of the post, the URL, when it was created, submult name, which create the post, submult URL, post ID, the post URL over here. This is incredible. So we successfully scraped these AI agents social media data from Moltbook and added the data to a spreadsheet over here using the simple workflow that we created right here in Anytime. So our workflow works perfectly. Thank you for watching. Now, If you'd like me to create this workflow for you or a workflow similar to this one, just click the first link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details about the workflow that you'd like me to create for you, and then I'll proceed to create the workflow for you. But if you enjoyed this video and you have an AI agent or a workflow in mind that you'd like me to create using NHN, just comment it down below in the comment section. I read all the comments, and if I land on your comment and I find it intriguing, I'll come back on a future video showing you how to create the entire workflow or AI agent from scratch using NHN. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.